Tailgate Talk fans, tonight we're going to be looking at installing this Prodigy P2 brake controller in my 2005 Toyota Tundra. Now my Toyota Tundra is pre-wired for trailer lights in the back, but I need this controller because I'm pulling a camper which has brakes, so I need this controller. And being pre-wired, I also need this adapter. So I got the controller, got the adapter, and supposedly there is a plug under here since my truck is pre-wired. Now if your truck is not pre-wired for trailer, towing a trailer, you will have to do a completely different setup where you'll send a hard wire to the rear of your bumper for the brake control. So anyway, I've already started taking loose the trim and got it all loose. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's just you got this little nut here and got some screws here that are in this step rail, and then it's just got little cleats on here where you pop it out. So I'm gonna get the instructions out, figure out what the heck I'm doing, and then somewhere in here I should be able to plug this in, and then I'm going to run the wire through my dash, and I believe I'm going to mount the controller right in this area here. Seems like a perfect place, but I got to get in there and kind of dig around and make sure that it actually is. All right, so we're back for a quick update, and I tell you what, I was getting so frustrated I was blowing snot bubbles. So I just couldn't find the thing, and so I took, you know, this shroud under the steering column here. I took that off, which is real easy. I mean, it's just 4 10mm bolts, and then a piece of ductwork here, because I had read in some other places that some people were saying it was up here near the steering column and that kind of stuff, and I thought, well, geez, maybe that's where mine is. But I'll tell you where it is. It is if you find your fuse panel and just kind of go behind it a little bit back in here. Let's see. All right, let me start over. Fuse panel, follow that down right behind the fuse panel. You can see it right here. It's white. It's got a piece of tape around it. So it's taped to this other collection of wires here. And then let me back up so you can have another point of reference. Starting from the floorboard, going up, and then over, boom, there she is. So let me cut that out, and I'll just confirm the connections with my adapter harness here. This is what we're looking to connect here, the white part, and then this flat piece goes into the actual controller itself. So I'll cut that out, and I'll be right back to show it to you. All right, fans, I got this joker cut out here. And so immediately when I got it cut out, I was like, what the heck? I've messed up. This is not right. This doesn't match. And then I realized, and I don't know what this is called. I'm not an electrician. But if you just push here and pull, boom, this comes off. And again, I don't know what you call that. I'd call it dead man, waste piece of plastic, whatever. So now let's compare and see if we have a love connection. And so that's our adapter, and then this is our trailer plugs there. So a little back and forth here to get the view, but as you can see, I believe we have male, female. Love is about to be made, and it will result in glowing trailer brakes that will save us from imminent disaster on our next trip. So I'm wrapping this up, and I appreciate you watching. And this video is specifically for if your truck is pre-wired for towing with a 7-pin connector on your bumper, which is going to be round, not flat. Flat is 4-pin. So if it's 4-pin on your bumper, this video is not for you, and you wasted your time. I'm sorry. So anyway, appreciate a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the Tailgate. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.